Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Auntie Pat's kitchen. I'm going to show you guys today how I make my chin chin. I make my chin chin with oil, sugar, butter, salt, eggs and flour. So here is 1.5 kilogram of flour. So 25 grams of butter, 400 grams of milligram of sugar, and I'm going to add my 200 milligram of oil, sunflower oil. So then I'm going to add a pinch of salt, as you can see, pinch of salt. Then I'm going to add my eggs, so here is 400 milligram of water. So I'm going to use to mix it together. This is my water. You just mix all the ingredients together. Here is the ingredients: the eggs, the butter, the sugar, and 1.5 flour. Keep mixing it. So I normally use my session here. I just mix it, then I pour it down here because it's much easier. You keep mixing it.
So this is oil I just used to rub it to make it much easier for me to mix. So now I'm going to slice it.
Sessions. So going to half it, then each one 3 to make it much easier for me when I'm working on. Roll it.
So into 3.
done.
Okay. So you roll it. So now I just put some flour on top of it. So first I will just put one to see if the oil is ready enough. So when it's ready enough for me to start, you will see the one I put inside will come up. So you see now it's coming out. So everything have to be brown to tell me it's ready. So if it's ready, then my oil is hot enough to make it ready. See the bottom is not So now I'm going to start to put my chin chin inside. You can see it. See, they are all the same size. So when you're frying, you have to be vigilant. You have to be very close to your pan, your fryer, so that you can control it because of the ingredients you mix together. So they react into the oil. So if you are not there, the oil can go up. But if you are there, you just kind of raise it up and shake it. You're shaking it so that they don't stick together. They have to come out one by one pieces as you slice it in.
And you can use it as a snack. You can also have it with your family in the evening. Just put it in the table to watch TV. And you can also have it for lunch with a bottle of Coca-Cola, Fanta, or juice.
So you can see the first pieces I put to check the oil, then these are the rest, how they are now. So now you can see it's ready. You can see it's ready. It's ready now. So that is the reason why you have to make sure your section is very clean. So here is the chin chin. So we're done, guys. Thank you for cooking with Auntie Pat today. I enjoy cooking with you guys. I hope you enjoy it too. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the number one to get my video when I upload. Thank you. Ciao. See you in my next video. Bye. This is all the chin chin we have achieved. This is how it turned out. This is my chin chin. As you can see, my chin chin and juice, tea, coffee, fruit. You just enjoy it. Have fun with it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you can be the number one to see my next video. Thank you. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye.